How to fix horizontal and vertical lines on MacBook screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you can go ahead and check your external display. So, connect your MacBook to an external monitor. If the lines don't appear there, your Mac's graphic chip is likely fine and it's probably a screen or cable issue. Next, launch the Settings application and then tap on General and then on Software Update and install any update available. Next, shut down your Mac and turn it back on, as this will help your Mac to do a simple reset and see if your issue is fixed or not. And if not, then boot into safe mode. To do that, boot into safe mode by holding the power button until you see options. Tap on that and then press and hold the shift keys and then tap on the continue in safe mode option. This disables third-party extensions and checks for driver issues. And if your issue is still not fixed, then turn off your Mac completely and then power it on while holding the D key. This will run an Apple Diagnostic. Apple Diagnostic will check for hardware problems, including display issues. And if the issue is still not fixed, then it is possible that your MacBook had a hardware damage. If the lines stay even during boot or diagnostic, it's likely a hardware issue, that is, either a failing display cable or damaged screen or logic board problem. So you can take your MacBook to Apple support or visit a repair center. So this is how you can fix horizontal and vertical lines on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.